Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature one of the hottest trends that we are really starting to see take off, and that is the pixie bob. Now when it comes to this hot hair trend, there are many different varieties and ways in which it can be worn, and it's really just about framing the face, creating longer textures in the front, and keeping things short and sweet like a traditional pixie in the back. So here we have the stylist asking the client what she wants to do with her hair, and of course she is going to be getting a pixie bob. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these looks spotted in today's video and you are a fan of the pixie bob, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and hottest hair trends. Beautiful texture. This one features some side swept bangs in the front, beautiful long sideburns, gorgeous. And depending on how you want to wear your hair, it can look more like a bob or it can look more like a pixie. It really just depends on your own personal taste and preferences. Loving this style with the contrasting trend. Black and platinum hair combined, absolutely gorgeous. And then this one, it features some bangs in the front, lots of curly texture throughout. So chic and pretty. Now, right along with the pixie bob style, we're also seeing a lot of mini bobs. So that might be an option if you want to try something a little bit longer than the traditional pixie bob. And this is a great option too if you are growing out a more traditional pixie style and you do want to gravitate towards more of a bob. So there's like a 360 look of this particular pixie bob style. So next up, we're seeing some color being added. Stylist is adding some rollers for some volume. Absolutely gorgeous. So with this one, she can wear it slicked back off to the side, and she does have a bit of an undercut with this. And then we have another kind of cascading pixie area through the back and then longer in the front. And with this particular pixie bob, I say that you can either classify this one as a longer pixie style or a pixie bob. So here we have someone else rocking the trend with more of a shaven area, really digging the hair color that she has. Looks like a really subtle navy blue hue happening, mixed in with black. And her hair has so much volume and height to it. So here we have another pixie bob. Stylist cuts the hair in the back. Oh, I love the texture that this has. And this one is featuring more of like an asymmetrical shape. Very dramatic, loving the waves and the texture. Very pretty. So here we have someone rocking beautiful chocolate colored hair, cascading hair in the back, creating a beautiful soft pixie bob. Alright you guys, I hope that you enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured in today's video. Let us know in the comments below, will you be trying the pixie bob trend for yourself? Leave us your thoughts and we will see you in the next video.